Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about what I think is the absolute best inexpensive pool robot you can get right now. This is the UBoter E10 pool robot cleaner. Now it is in what I consider to be the inexpensive range, which is like the $100 to $300 range, and then there's the mid-range, which is like $300 to around $800, and then there's the high end, which is $800 and up. This inexpensive range robot has a feature that a lot of the higher ends don't even have, and that's what makes this the absolute, to me, best inexpensive robot, pool cleaning robot you can get. We're going to talk about all the features. I'm going to show you a lot of footage of this in action so you can see it at work in my pool. Now, first off, this is a small robot. It is very lightweight. I love how light it is. It's so easy to pull out of the pool, especially compared to a lot of the other pool robots that I have had and used. It's very lightweight, pulls out really easily, so that's really great. This is specifically for above ground pools or in-ground pools with a flat bottom. It is not, if you have a deep end and a shallow end, it's not going to work for you. This is for flat bottom pools only, so that's important to know. And this does not clean your walls and water line. That's not what it's meant for. This is a basic pool cleaner, so it picks up debris from the bottom of your pool. It runs back and forth and around and all over the bottom of your pool, picking up all the bugs and leaves and pebbles and things like that that get in your pool. But what makes this pool robot better than most of the others in this class, and again, a feature that even a lot of high ends don't have, is it includes an ultra-fine filter. So not only do you have the standard mesh metal filter, which all pool robots have, because that's what captures the bugs and the leaves and the twigs and all that kind of stuff, but it also has an ultra-fine filter. So why that is so awesome is that means not only is it picking up those bigger pieces of debris, but it also is filtering dust, pollen, fine dirt and sand particles out of your water as it's running. So it's actually going to be not just picking up stuff off the bottom of your pool, but also cleaning stuff out of your water using that ultra-fine filter. And that is really, really an awesome feature. Now this has these big, large wheels, and it just runs along the bottom of your pool. It's got a large opening on the bottom that's sucking stuff in, picking all the stuff up, and then it's propelling itself by, as it pulls that in, it shoots water out of either this end or this end. Now these are adjustable, these rotate, these valves have sort of a direction to them, and you can adjust the angle of them, and that's what changes the pattern of how it cleans. It's not using AI or anything like that. It's just using these to go in different directions to cover all of your pool. So of course, it's not, it's not thinking through how it's cleaning your pool. It's just randomly going all around your pool. But it runs for a little over 2 hours on a charge, and charges in only about 3.5 hours. So in those 2 hours, it's gonna get every spot of your pool as long as you get these adjusted. And that's the great thing is you start and use it the first time, and then if you see that maybe that's not the best pattern to have it get everything in your pool, you make adjustments to these valves and run it again until you find the one that's best for you. Once you've got it dialed in, you're gonna find that there'll be some areas that'll probably go over 10, 15, maybe even 20 times over the course of 2 hours. Other areas it may only go over once or twice or 3 times, but it's gonna hit every area once you get those valves adjusted right so that it picks up all the debris that's on the bottom of your pool. But again, while it's doing that, also filtering out the water, which is really significant. Has these large wheels, so it rolls over the bottom of your pool with no problem at all. It has the charging port right up here. You just unscrew this and plug the charger in. Again, charges full charge in about 3.5 hours. Nice big power button that you hold down to start it, and nice little LED so that you can see either when it's charging or when you start it that it's ready to go. Nice large basket in the bottom, even though this is small and lightweight. Again, I love that. It is the lightest weight pool robot cleaner I've ever used, and in spite of it being so small and so lightweight, it's got a really large basket that holds all that dirt and bugs and leaves and things like that without any problem at all. As you can see in my video, it picked up all kinds of stuff off the bottom of my pool, and so it has that large basket to hold that stuff, and this top part just snaps off really easy. Snaps off so that you can then take that and clean that out, and then snaps right back down on. and is ready to go again. But besides the large basket, you've also got that fine filter, and it's a really large, because the ultrafine filter it covers the entire base of it. It's a very large ultrafine filter, so it does a great job of capturing those fine particles without getting clogged up, which is really, really excellent. The only issue I have had with it at all, if you see these wheels have these little grooves on it, and this is just happenstance. I just so happen to have bottom filters on my pool, or drains, that have these little slots in them, and these slots are exactly the same as those slots. So every now and again, if this slot hits one of those just right, it kind of gets stuck in there. So I've had that happen a couple of times, but not too big of a deal for me. I just push it out, and it doesn't happen most of the time because it has to hit it just right. Other than that, it has no problem going over small bumps in my pool, or like my heat filter things that I have at the bottom. It goes over those with no problem at all. No issue. And again, this just runs, goes back and forth and turns based on how you have these valves set to make sure it's covering every area of the pool. It does a great job. I used it in my pool, and my pool is a very difficult pool because of the odd shape of it. But once I got these valves dialed in correctly, it covered every area of the pool without any issue at all. Picked up all the debris. Again, most importantly to me, especially for an inexpensive robot, it's also filtering out the dirt and the fine pollen and stuff out of the water with that ultrafine filter, which is just really a super high-end feature to have on such an affordable pool robot. Again, it is only for pools that have a flat bottom, so you need to have either an above ground pool or an in-ground pool with a flat bottom. But if that is what you have, and you're looking for something that will just pick up debris off the bottom of your pool and have the bonus of cleaning pollen and dust and dirt out of the water, then the E10 UBoter pool robot cleaner is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.